defending her land, her birthright. But Nyakasikana had a promise to her people. My bones will rise, mafupa yangu ashamuka. On 28 April 1966, the Crocodile Crew fired the first Chimanga 2 shots in Chinhoyi, a fulfillment of Nyanda's promise, a promise to her people. My bones will rise. Independence came on 18 April 1980, a victory for Nyanda's children. Nyanda's spirit lives, surely we shall fear not, for her bones continue to rise. Shamefully, the oppressor did not rest. He devised other means of oppression in the name of democracy. Wolves in sheepskin, giving Nyanda's people aid, yet taking their identity away. We won't! Nyanda's bones will rise against you. Spreading falsehoods about Zimbabwe, tarnishing her name. Surely you are hanging Nyanda. She will rise. Advocating for sanctions that make Nyanda's children suffer for defending their birthright, their land. Surely you are hanging Nyanda, and your bones will rise against your aspirations. Living a corrupt life, a life Nyanda despise. Acts of violence against the people with a promise, Nyanda's promise. My bones will rise.
Just
around life. Shamefully, you are hanging Neander. Who is strong Neander spirit? Spirit of defending your birthright. Who is strong Neander's children? Surely, no one can. The bones have risen, and they'll remain awake until total freedom is achieved. Progress be to Neander country.